Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Assalamu alaikum, and good afternoon, friends. As you know, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I want to request you stay home, save lives, and follow lockdown rules. Okay. Introduction. My name is Navdeep Kaur. I am working as an assistant professor in CSC department. My hobbies are playing cricket, dancing, writing. One line always motivates me. Life is a movie. You are the director of your life. Don't live your life as other people expect. And my channel name is Powerful Weapon. Okay. Uh, let's start next topic. In previous video I have covered introduction of shell programming and structure of a shell program, and today's topic is looping statements in shell. As we already know, what is shell? Shell acts as an interface through which user can use operating system, and shell programming is a sequence of commands which can be executed by shell at any time. And today's topic is looping statements. We have three types of statements looping in shell programming: for, while, and until. Okay, first start for loop. Before this for loop in shell programming, I want to discuss for loop in C++. As we already know, if in C++ we have syntax of for loop. I variable from 1, I less than equals to 3, I plus plus, and cout we will print this value of I, and this for loop will print numbers from 1 to 3. So it's a syntax of for loop in C++. Similarly, we have for loop in shell programming. The logic is same but the syntax is different. You can see syntax for variable. We can take any variable like I in 1 to 4 5 up to 100. Like if I want to print number from 1 to 5, I can write 1 2 3 4 5 and do command, or you can say statement, and done. It's a syntax of for loop. You can see one small program. For variable I in 1 2 3 4 5 do echo. Echo is used for printing echo $I. Now this program will print number from 1 to 5. So I can run this program in bash online editor. Okay, just write in Google online bash editor. Okay, just wait. Okay, in this bash editor I can write my program, and in comment I can give any comment number 1 to 5. Okay, now execute this program. Just wait. You can see it's a small program for printing 1 to 5 number using for loop. Yes, so you can see this syntax of for loop. For variable in numbers and do commands and done. You can see for variable is I in number from 1 2 3 4 5 do. In do I can write echo for printing this value of I variable. Similarly, we have another loop, while loop. So you can see the syntax of while loop. While command sometimes we call condition. do statement, done. This loop terminates when the command or condition becomes false. Similarly, we have third looping statement is until. Until condition, do statement, done. But in until loop, the loop terminates when the condition becomes false. The syntax of until loop and while is same, but the main difference is in while loop loop terminates when the condition or command becomes false, but until the loop terminates when the condition or command becomes true. So in a next video I will cover the difference between while and until loop by some programs. So today we have covered looping statements in shell programming. So be passionate, be creative. Let's make technical India. Thank you so much for watching this video.